A single block of light-emitting material could replace millions of sensors. Physicists have designed a new particle detector called Platon. Instead of millions of individual electronic components, it uses one solid block of material that emits light when a particle passes through it. A light-field camera, ultra-sensitive photon sensors, and artificial intelligence turn that flash of light into a full three-dimensional track. So far, this sounds like an incremental upgrade. Then the simulation numbers land. Platon doesn't just match today's best particle detectors in some scenarios, it beats them. Then comes the detail that unsettles engineers, a device meant to replace structures built from millions of separate parts scales by adding a single block of material without multiplying the complexity. Then the most unexpected twist. The same technology built for high-energy physics could sharpen the PET scans used in hospitals every day. Right now, Platon exists only in simulation. No lab has yet built the full-scale version meant to replace today's detectors in major physics experiments. The question left open is the simplest and the most unsettling one. Will the physics that works on paper behave the same way once real particles actually pass through the first block of light-emitting material? If it works, the way we see the invisible, from subatomic particles to the human body, won't look the same again.